This is what's going on outside. All this motherfucking lightning and shit. It is 11 something at the night. And now I'm outside recording this bullshit. It's raining. I just did this for a little bit. I'm finna take my ass back in the house. And these people outside driving and shit, look at that bullshit. Better get your ass in the house. Live in the Lexington. At 11 something in the night. I supposed to be asleep, but I ain't got school tomorrow. I ain't tripping. You dig me? All this motherfucking rain and shit. I'm gone. Fuck that. Bye.